Hello class 8. Today we are going to do period of transition and today we will discuss about Renaissance. So as you know that modern period of history witnessed sweeping changes in most part of the world. These changes were brought about by powerful forces. To understand events in the modern history, we first need to understand what these forces were and how they changed the medieval world. Renaissance is one of the important forces which changed the complete direction. Okay, so before we get into Renaissance, let us know about the background. Before Renaissance came into being, how was the situation? So, Europe was going through a turbulent and difficult time in the medieval period. The Roman Empire had broken up and been attacked by the barbarian tribes, like fall of Constantinople, and they were attacked by the Turks. I hope you remember this. In class 7 we have done. So, feudalism had made the life of the people miserable. We have done all these things in class 7, and the church had become all powerful, and to strengthen its hold on people, it discouraged any attempt at scientific experimentation and rational thinking. So, it was such a difficult time that the Renaissance was born. So, you can see in your PPT that constant war was there, deadly plague was there, just like coronavirus is there right now. So, and church was not making the life of the people easy. They were making it more complex and difficult for them to survive. So, literally, Renaissance gave hope and changed the way of living of the people, or thinking rather. Literally, meaning of Renaissance is rebirth, which is a French word. So the Renaissance was a movement that started in Italy in the 14th century and saw a renewed interest in the classical civilization of Greece and Rome. It wasn't something new, it was there in ancient time, but during the medieval period everything was gone. So that is the reason no positive change was there in the medieval period, and that is the reason why dark age, there was no peace, there was no prosperity. That is the reason why it is termed as dark age. So the Renaissance gave rise to the scientific methods, this that is learning by questioning, observing, experimenting. Scientists like Copernicus, Galileo disapproved the church contentions that the earth was the center of the universe. Remember, I have told you in class 7, church was saying that the earth was flat, but actually, and the theory was that the sun was revolving around the earth, according to the church, but it was uh, you know in a completely opposite way. And Copernicus and Galileo claimed something else, which was right, what we are following today. So all these, there were people who stood against church, and that was something which was never happened in the medieval time. So the Renaissance thus encouraged people to think for themselves and challenge the authority of the church. So, and the most important part was played by the printing press. So earlier, Bible was not available for lot of people because it was handwritten. Once printing press was there, now the church can't fool people, common mass. Okay, so they can know what their religion is all about. So significant changes were also brought about in the field of art and architecture and literature. Leonardo da Vinci, then Da Vinci and Michelangelo were some of the more famous artists, while Dante and first celebrated authors and of this period. As a result, trade, the invention, the printing press, war, and some other factors, this entire movement was going on in different parts of the Europe, and the dramatic development in science, art, language, and literature brought about by the Renaissance transformed the culture of the Europe. The Renaissance also led to the religious movement in the 16th century, which we are going to know about it in the next video. So you can see how Leonardo da Vinci's pictures motivated and it emphasized humans' emotions, and science and literature gave a, a reasonable rational thinking was started during this period. So see the contribution of different personalities contributed to the rise of a Renaissance era, which was a significant one. Next video we will do Reformation.